Stickasaurus here, and today we're going to look at the Boon Black and Orange complete set. I had this for a little while, finally get around to it. This has the Boom Boom Change Axe, which has three forms: the handle, the rod, and the axe. It also comes with the changer for Boon Orange and Boon Black, as well as the Boom Boom vehicles, the Pack Car 1, Pack Car 2, Shovel, and Dozer. This was the cheaper option to get everything, so that's why I got it. Box art's really cool. I like how black and orange are kind of their own separate thing, but not really. Kind of reminds me of the Go On Wingers. But let's get this open after we take a look at the box here, and we'll go over each part individually. So here we go. Here are all the contents out again. Pack Car 1, Pack Car 2, Dozer and Shovel, as well as the changer, which is really cool, and the handle, which transforms. Let's take a look at the mech first. We'll put them on Boom Boom Robo, and we will see how they look. I really like the face on this form. I think the whole head is awesome with the little hat and everything. I really like that. And I really like the police jingle. That's pretty fun. So let's get to the construction one next. the construction, I don't like it as much as the police one, honestly. I don't like the mechanism for the head. The dozer's pretty cool, but I don't know. I feel like it's just there, and the fact you need that extra piece to make it work is not as cool as the police one. But those are the two forms. Again, you can add like other armaments to the other side. If you want to put pink on the other arm or put the police cards or something somewhere, you can also do that. So next, let's look at the changer that, as you saw, says on the back, but it also will use in the handle. So that's next. So there's the handle. The only thing about this, I don't think it adds any extra playability to the changer. There doesn't seem to be any different sound effects or anything for modes. It's pretty much just, whatever you prefer. If you like being Boon Black or Boon Orange with the axe, which is honestly a lot cooler. That's pretty much the only sound effect it has. But honestly, for a DX toy, that's not too bad. I am not disappointed with it. I think the changer is like the perfect size though. I don't know if it's 1-to-1 with the actual morphers, but I wouldn't be surprised if they actually do use the toy ones. So no, if you want to get the orange and black vehicles to go for your Boon Boom Robo and the changer, I think that this is probably the best bang for your buck. Don't super care about the DX axe and sword. It's cool and everything, but honestly, the changer is probably the best part, and then the police cars, and then the construction cars, and then I guess the handle. Again, depends what you're into. Would be really cool, I think, to make a 1-to-1 prop of the axe and use the actual changer. That sliding system doesn't seem too hard to replicate, or you could probably pick up a cheap candy card at some point and use the rail system off that. But again, that's a little extreme. That's just thinking in the future, but as a toy, it's actually fun. It's really fun. I definitely prefer the police version of Boon Boom Robo. I'm sure there's a name for it. Striker, Pat Car Robo. I'm not sure, but I think that head on that one is the coolest, and I like the dual guns. I do have the rest of the DX toys. I don't have the Champion Robo since it's not out yet, but it is up for pre-order, so I'll get that as soon as possible. I will do a video for the Boon Robo. I know I didn't do one yet. I ended up getting an extra set with all the cars. We also have the Lion Zord, I believe, and the Monster cars. So again, thanks for watching. I'm Stickasaurus, and I'll see you next time. You can follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter at Stickasaurus, Facebook, Stickasaurus Cosplay Props and Toys, Twitch, Stickasaurus Rex. We're live every Saturday, Sunday, twice a day, working on Helmets Live as well throughout the week.
Also check out the Patreon. We have community builds, exclusive videos, exclusive streams, files, all kinds of fun stuff going on over there. And check out the merch store. We have t-shirts, drinkware, mouse pads, whatever you're interested in. It's there with a lot of fan submitted ideas and awesome art. And we have new helmet videos every Friday, so make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thank you.